3 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to state through you that marketing is an important issue. Stop. Export is also the important issue which can affect the farmers. Stop. Therefore, while making policy, we should decide that there should be proper infrastructure, should be it air cargo, godowns, or would like to tell that government that as the policy regarding this is going to be finalized, Jakar Sahib will definitely keep in our mind our relations with the other countries and their agriculture policies and pros and cons of marketing. Stop. These policies should cover all these things. Stop. We will have to keep an eye on the production of fruits and food grains in our countries and their marketing by them. Stop. Whole market depends upon trading. Stop. We will have to survey the marketing in our countries. Stop. Why Japan has made such a remarkable progress. Stop. It makes a deep study of the international market. Stop. Though Israel is a very small country, their agriculture policy is better than that of India. Stop. We have electricity, water, and all types of facilities. Stop. Para. We are learning in the production of fruits and vegetables. Stop. Vegetables and fruits get rotten because there are no marketing facilities. Stop. Sometimes there are sold at the rate of 50 paise per dozen. Stop. If there are proper marketing facilities, then only farmers can get good prices of their products. Stop. The spot price to be provided to the farmer should be fixed and the share of middlemen and traders should be also determined. Stop. Therefore, the most important thing is infrastructure and marketing. Stop. Para. There are 2 or 3 more points in the agriculture policy framed by the government. Stop. Research has been done in every field. Stop. There is no need to repeat it. Stop. No amount of appreciation is sufficient to acknowledge it. Stop. But the information regarding the research work should be done immediately for adopting that technology in the fields. Stop. Unfortunately, it has not been done. Stop. I therefore would like to submit that the Agriculture Research Center should be strengthened. Jakar Sahib Planning Commission does not provide funds to them. Stop. Agriculture Research Center are in each district. Stop. They publicize the research made by them in every village. Stop. They publicize new varieties. Stop. If more productive varieties are provided to the villages, then more production can be achieved and we will came to know about the varieties which are being produced in the foreign countries. Stop. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos.